Mistplay can block rewards completely if location services are off, even if the game itself runs fine and tracks your playtime. By the end of this, you'll know why Mistplay asks for location access and exactly how to fix the location services required error. The main reason this happens is fraud prevention. Mistplay uses location data to verify that you're in a supported country and that your gameplay is tied to one real device. If location is blocked, the app can't verify that, so it stops tracking. Start with the fastest fix. Open your phone settings, tap apps, find Mistplay, then tap permissions. Check if location is set to allow, only while using the app. If it's on deny, Mistplay can trigger the error instantly. If you already allowed it, check your phone's main location switch. On Android, go to Settings, then Location, and make sure it's enabled system-wide. A lot of people miss this because app permission alone isn't enough. Next, check location accuracy. In Android settings, turn on Google Location Accuracy. Mistplay depends on more precise location data, and if that's off, the app can fail even with permission enabled. Now test your connection. Mistplay may reject location if you're using a VPN, proxy, or private DNS. Turn all of those off before reopening the app. A VPN can make your device look like it's in another country, which triggers verification blocks. If you're on public Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data for a minute and reopen Mistplay. Some networks interfere with location checks. If the error stays, clear Mistplay's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, then Clear Cache. This removes old location session data that might be stuck. After that, force close the app and open it again. If you recently traveled, that can also cause problems. Mistplay may need time to update your region status. Keep location on and use the app normally for a while before retrying. If none of that works, contact support. Send them your account email, your country, your device model, and a screenshot of the error. That gives them enough to check if your account is region locked or flagged. Quick recap. Turn on app location permission, turn on system-wide location, disable VPNs, and clear cache if needed. Those fix most location errors. Your next step is simple. Open Settings right now and check Mistplay's location permission first. If this saved you time, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes.